Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share how to create apps using ChatGPT. With this method, you can even publish your apps to the Play Store. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So head over to ChatGPT and ask for the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code of the app you want to create. Once you get the code, copy each code into these files. Also, make sure that the file type is set as HTML, CSS and JavaScript and the file name should be the same. Now let's compress this folder to a zip file to make our web app live. Head over to this website and create your free account. Click on Upload File and upload the zip file. Type in your app URL. Click on Publish. Our web app is now live. Now let's convert this to a mobile app. For that, search for Web into App and click on the first result. Click on Get Started. Paste the URL of your app. Give your app a name. Type in your brand name. Now let's upload the icon for our app. You can even integrate Firebase or AdMob ads to make some money. Click on Next. Click on Make App. Provide the required information. After that, wait for a few minutes. Now download the zip file. Go to your downloads and extract the file. That's it, we now have our live web app and a mobile app along with a .aab file to publish on the Play Store. If you don't want to publish, you can share your .apk file and install the app on mobile devices. So that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like it, share it around and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.